This is the new point of our lesson now, which is soil erosion. Okay. Now listen it carefully. My dear students, you know very well, soil is very important natural resource. Okay. It is very important natural resource. And soil is very important because plants and animals are depend on the soil. Okay. Means soil plays important role in the survival of plants and animals. And you also know that animals depend on the plants for their food. And you know very well, plants grow in the soil. You can imagine if there will be no soil, what will happen? Plants will not grow. So here is we can say that soil is very important natural resource because plants and animals depend on the soil. Even human beings also we depend on the soil. Independently we are depend on the soil. So we can say soil is very important natural resource because it helps in the survival of plants and animals. Okay. And animals are depend on plants for getting their food. But my dear students, we can see nowadays the top layer of soil is constantly facing the different challenges. Okay. Means various factors are there which are present in the environment which are making damage to the top layer of the soil. Okay. Top layer of the soil is there. Okay. Top layer of the soil. So some of the various factors are there which are present in the environment which are making damage, which are threatening to this top layer of the soil. Now if you observe the page number 47 of your textbook, two images are given there. Okay, two images are there, you can see there on page number 47. So first image is of strong wind. You can see into that image number first, two images have given. Image number first, image number second. So in the first image, very strong wind is there, and that strong wind is making damage to the top layer of the soil. Okay. And second image is of waves. Okay, ocean waves. And what is happening there? That strong waves of ocean, that strong waves of water is damaging to the top layer of the soil. So the definition of soil erosion is removal of top layer of the soil due to various factors like wind and water. That is called soil erosion. What is soil erosion then? Removal of top layer of soil due to various factors like wind and water. That is called soil erosion. Means when does the soil erosion take place? When the damage takes place on the top layer of the soil, then soil erosion takes place. Okay. Suppose this is the soil. Okay. And this is the top layer. This is the top layer of the soil. And when the various factors which are present in the environment make a damage to this top layer, then what happened? Soil erosion takes place. So what is the definition of soil erosion then? Removal of top layer of the soil due to various factors like wind and water. That is called soil erosion. Okay. So now I am going to write the definition of soil erosion. So here is the definition. Removal of top layer of soil due to various factors like wind and water. Then that is called soil erosion. So here soil erosion. Suppose top layer is there, top layer of the soil is there, and various factors like wind and water, when they make the damage to the top layer of the soil, then what happens? Soil erosion takes place. So here is the definition. Please you can note down this definition in your notebook. So it is about soil erosion. Okay. So what is soil erosion then? First of all, we have seen soil is very important natural resource, because soil helps to the plants and animals for their survival. Means life of plants and animals depend on the soil. Okay, human beings also depend on the soil. So, but due to some various factors of environment which threaten to, which damage to the top layer of the soil, then what happened? Soil erosion takes place. Okay, and when the soil erosion takes place, soil loses its fertility. Means when the soil erosion takes place, what happened? Soil can be easily blow away with the water or wind. Wind means air. Means if the soil erosion is there, what happened? What happened then? Soil becomes very loose and it can be easily blow away due to what? Wind and water. So here now we have completed our topic, soil erosion. I hope you understood that. Now next point that we have to learn is deforestation. Next point is what? Deforestation. So the next point that we have to learn is deforestation. Next point is what? Deforestation. Now what is deforestation? Nowadays deforestation is taking on a large scale. You can observe it. Nowadays deforestation is taking on a large scale. So my dear students, you very well know trees. Suppose this is tree and this is the root of the tree. So what happened? The root of the tree holds the soil on one place. What happened? Roots of the tree hold the soil on a one place and increase the fertility of the soil. Means trees are very important for the growth of plant, for increasing for the fertility of the soil. So what happened? Roots of the soil, roots of the plants holds the soil on one place. But what happened? If we cut down the tree, if we cut down this tree, what happened? Soil become loose. Soil become loose and it can be easily blow away with the water or wind. So trees and plants are very important for holding the soil on one place. So what happened here? Root of the soil hold the roots of the plants hold the soil on one place. These are the roots. What they do? They hold the soil on one place. But if this tree cut down, if we cut the tree, then what happened? This soil which was present here, it become loose. Okay. And what happened? That soil can be easily blow away due to wind and water. So soil erosion will be happen there. And that soil will lose the fertility. So here we can say that plants and trees are very important for the soil, for keeping the soil on one place. And deforestation means the process of cutting down the trees. That is called the deforestation. So the forests are very important for increasing the fertility of the soil. Okay, soil plays very important role. But if we cut down the tree, what will happen? Soil will lose, and due to wind and water, what will happen? It will easily blow away. So that's why trees are very important. But nowadays we can see that many trees are cutting down. If you observe that government is constructing the highway, you know very well. Government is constructing highway. But what is happening? That government is cutting the trees on a large scale. blow away. Okay, and that soil will lose the fertility, that land will lose the fertility of the soil, and crops will not be grow there properly. So here now we have learned 2 points today. That is, first one was soil erosion, and second one was what? Deforestation. Okay, so here we have completed our 2 points today. So the remaining point we will take in the next video. Okay, so see you. Do your study well and stay healthy.